Hello, welcome. My name is Katina. I am the Grant Program Officer with the East Central Regional Arts Council. I am putting this video together just to help applicants who may be new to our grant portal when you're applying for an application with us and what to do exactly or where to find information about how the grant portal works. So I'd like to share with you some information about what exactly it is that you can find on the grant portal. Let's see, I'm going to share my screen. Hopefully this will take, well, let's see, what was I going to show you first? Let me take you to our website first. So this is our website, ECRAC.org. So if you're finding this video, you're most likely already at our website. So cheers. Thanks for visiting and thanks for your interest in our grant programs. This that you're looking at now is our homepage. So this talks about our Arts Council in general. If you go under Manage My Grant and open up that page, this is a place where, as you scroll down, it tells you about our application process. This link right here will take you to the grant portal. And over here on the right side, I have a video link for navigating the grant portal. And if you click on this link here, it will take you to a page of information. Oh darn, it says can't be reached. There it is. How funny that happened right there. It just took a minute to load. So at the grant tutorial page here, you'll see there is a video where they'll talk about creating an account and other information about using the grant portal. So please feel free to watch this video when you have time. If the video is not your preferred way of learning about the grant portal, you can scroll down. It does walk you through step-by-step information about the grant portal, which is run by an organization called Founded. It talks about the logon page, how to get an email, your password renewed if you need a new password, how to create an account. It goes on to looking for where the grant applications, if you want to apply for a grant, what to click on, where will you find grant applications there. Really, depending on what you're looking for, there's going to be additional information that you may find here on about your grant portal and the dashboard. How do you look at past grant applications that you may have completed in the past? So you'll see here historical requests. So any of your past applications will continue to live on this grant portal page for you. So that's what this video is talking about and what this this website shows you when you click on that link from our website. So I just wanted to give you a quick introduction to that information. And I really hope that you're considering applying for a grant with us and setting up a grant portal. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have questions or any concerns about the grant process in general. We're happy to help you with that information. So again, thank you. My name is Katina. I look forward to hearing about your art projects in the future. So take care and thanks again.